and even our immune system will be functioning well. Now, immune system is also made up of WBC, that is the white blood corpuscles, and white blood corpuscles again represents the purity of the present. White means pure. The more our mind is pure and it is anchored here in the present, the WBC count will be good, and the more we are connected to the being, not the overthinking or causal mind, then automatically our feeling body improves and we start creating. What we start creating? Because when it is white means clear. When what is clear? We are able to, the light is clear and we are able to see and recognize clearly. So what happens? The WBC is able to see if there is any virus entering our body, and immediately it will start creating the antibodies. But if this white blood corpuscles are few because of the blocked mind and the blocked heart or the imbalanced EQ, then this will be unclear. So the WBC will not be able to see and recognize the virus entering our body, and instantly it should be able to create the antibodies to defend or fight with the virus or the bacteria or any other pathogen or whatever parasite. So it is very important. So this being, feeling, and as I always say, flowing. As I said, being, feeling, and flowing. Being, feeling, and flowing. We have to not keep any fears in the mind, because the fear initially it may be small, but slowly it grows into phobias, into threatening feeling, terrorized feeling, and the body goes into an attack mode. And the situation is like a battlefield where one's own healthy soldiers also die in the conflict, chaos, and the war. So, autoimmune is the same thing. When we are constantly feeling threatened and terrorized, the fears have escalated, and now it is like a behaving in auto driven mechanism mode, automatic, like habits. We don't know it, instantly it happens, that habit or anger which comes so quickly, the rage or the aggression or the violence. So similarly our immune system also behaves in the same way. So they are not able to see clearly, so suddenly they just give a command that attack. So as soon as they say attack, the antibodies and they just start attacking, and they are not able to discern that what they have to attack, this is the virus or this is the friendly cell or this is the virus cell or the enemy cell, and our body becomes inflamed and it's like a battlefield. But if we slow down and we are silent, so what happens? The immune system has the time to see, recognize, and create the perfect antibody to kill that virus or bacteria which has infected our body. So the immune system is a gift graced and given by the divine to defend us against any pathogens or viruses within us 24/7. But when our mind is clean, the immune system, which has the WBC and it has the capacity to create antibodies instantly, and it has the lymphatic system, that is the flowing immune system, which is circulating and removing all the unwanted negative fluids in the body, they all work in harmony. So the lymphatic system is related to the water tattva or the water element, the fluid balance, and when we clean the stories and the narratives which are weakening us, are weakening our WBC or our ability to create antibodies, then we start transforming and our lymphatic system will start absorbing all the unwanted fats to the bloodstream and it will return all the excess fluid, thereby maintaining the fluid balance.